So coming into this week, we saw last week a classic buy week. Last week we saw a classic buy week higher, forming this weekly busy or weekly buy side for value gap. And on a daily time frame, you can see price formed. Price last week was a classic buy week. We saw a Monday accumulation, Tuesday reached lower, sweeping out the Monday low with a Wednesday and Thursday expansion higher, and then a Friday closed back within the weekly range, which is a TJF, which is this right here is a picture perfect classic buy week. And as you can see, we saw that buy week into this daily SIBI right off 50%. We can see prices starting to trade lower with this S&T at these highs. So with the reaction off this, so you guys know that this daily SIBI was a draw, and to see if we wanted all-time highs, wanted to see how price reacted to 50% of the daily SIBI, see if we traded into it and then started trading higher through, or if we had a reaction off of it. So with this reaction off of it, I can expect price to, at least for the beginning of this week, trade lower, sweeping out these lows, because this is lower resistance liquidity. We know that price trades away from they're called jagged lows to smooth lows. Price trades from jagged to smooth. So we can see with this high, we're going to start trading towards these lows, as well as this weekly fair value gap, which is aligned with those lows. So this is going to be my initial weekly draw, is this low right here. These lows are my weekly draw for the beginning of the week, and then I want to see if we can start trading higher off of this weekly buy side imbalance. And then let me pull up the economic calendar. You can see we have lots of news this week. We have Powell at 1:55 p.m. tomorrow. Then we have Joel's job opening in PMI on Tuesday. And then on Wednesday, we have non-farm payroll, as well as unemployment claims on Thursday, and then non-farm payroll and unemployment rate on Friday. So lots of news this week. We do have Powell tomorrow at 1:55. So I think Monday before 1:55 will be not as clean, pretty much from accumulation to what we're looking for. But I will be on though. I will be on forward testing price. If we do see something A+, I will take it, but don't expect to trade tomorrow because it is Monday with no news until Powell at 1:55 p.m. So we might range prior to that. Very clear draw this week, which is this weekly fair value gap. The reaction off this daily SIBI is telling us that. Right, we trade how price reacts, not how we're not gonna try to predict. We trade reactions. So the reaction off the daily SIBI is telling us we want to see lower into this weekly busy. You guys got any questions? Any comments? Anything you want to look at? If your bias is different, let me know. Let me know why. Look at it. You guys there?